Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. Here at DaringBeefcake, today I have this Rover Range Rover Evoque. This is a 2013 model. I'm just quickly going to show you the location of the color code. And if you get your bonnet open, so passenger side, there's a little lever at the bottom, pull it and bonnet will pop up a little bit, and then you press this bit here, so you have to get your hand just there, press that and open the bonnet, and then you're gonna find this plate here, and color code is right there, and the name of the paint is also there. Induce silver, LRC863, and that's pretty much it. So if you need to get a paint code, you can go online and obviously type the color code there and the name, and you will get some touch-up paint that you can buy most likely on Amazon or eBay or some other shops that actually do color code for cars. So anyway, having said that, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.